Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm from Queens. I decided to become a barber as I wanted to learn a craft where I could cut out the middleman and take my skills wherever I am with me. The reason why I chose Tribeca Barber School was because the convenience. I actually live 10 minutes away from here. It's pretty local. There's also a lot of foot traffic, which means if you're a newbie, it'll help you practice on cutting hair and get your confidence up. So right now I'm in my second week. I'm learning how to fully blend with the guards. I'm starting to use the clipper over comb method, and just getting more familiar with my clippers and my machines. So I would definitely recommend the school to others. If you want to get your hands wet and your feet wet and this stuff, this is a great start. My next step after I finish here, find a shop, gain more experience, and then hopefully in 2 years or 4 years own my first shop.